Welcome to a transformative new chapter of your journey with the CFP Weight Loss Protocol. I'm Russell Clark, FNP-C, founder of CFP Weight Loss and CFP Fit Now, and I'm thrilled to introduce the 30-week Tirzepatide Reset. One box, one protocol, lose 30 to 90 pounds and keep it off with GLP-1 cycling, root cause habits, and 221 keto-friendly recipes. My soon-to-be published book that's the backbone of this program. This guide, born from over 35 years of clinical experience and my personal 110-pound weight loss, offers a proven path to reset your metabolism. Today we're diving into day 4, phase 2, day 1, a pivotal moment in your 30-week journey to lose 30 to 90 pounds. Watch as we fade into the details, and let's embark on this life-changing transformation together. Welcome to phase 2, day 1, often a Monday, marking the launch of your fat-burning phase with the 30-week Tirzepatide Reset. This is where the real transformation begins, building on the loading phase you mastered in days 2 through 3. Over the next 30 weeks, picture yourself shedding 30 to 90 pounds, feeling energized, confident, and free from weight struggles. I've lost over 100 pounds, and alongside my wife, Anne-Marie, who lost 145 pounds using this protocol, we've crafted this one-box solution with GLP-1 cycling and 221 keto-friendly recipes from Appendix D. Today, we're igniting your reset with Tirzepatide. Start when your medication arrives. And root cause habits like mindful eating. This isn't just a diet. It's a lifestyle shift. Grab your client guide, join our Facebook community at facebook.com/groups/CFP Weight Loss Nashville, and let's make this journey a success story. Phase 2, spanning days 4 through 43, is your fat loss powerhouse. This 40-day period focuses on activating your liver and brown fat, key metabolic engines discussed in chapters 3 and 11. By introducing intermittent fasting and the pink drops to enhance fat metabolism. You'll target 10 to 30 pounds of weight loss per 10-week cycle, accumulating 30 to 90 pounds over the full 30 weeks, depending on your adherence and starting point. This phase leverages Tirzepatide cycling to suppress appetite and boost fat burn, combined with habits like daily movement. Expect initial drops of 0.5 to 2 pounds daily, stabilizing to 0.5 to 1 pound as your body adapts. Visualize your body thriving, hormones balancing, and energy surging. You're on the path to a slimmer, healthier you, guided by the book's science-backed strategies. Start day 1 with a powerful routine to kick off phase 2. After your morning bathroom visit, step onto your digital scale, ensure it's on a flat surface for 0.1 pound accuracy, and use Renfo app to log your weight. Next, embrace a 6-hour intermittent fast by skipping breakfast to awaken your hypothalamus and shift your body into fat-burning mode. This fast, typically from waking until 11 a.m. to 1 p.m., activates your liver and brown fat, but if hunger strikes, eat 1 to 2 hard-boiled eggs from the approved proteins list in the client guide. This is a non-starvation protocol. Affirm to yourself, I'm powering my transformation with every choice. Feel that energy building as you prepare for a day of fat loss. Fuel your body smartly with lunch and dinner, designed to sustain your fat-burning state. Use a digital food scale to weigh 4 ounces of protein post-cooking, 5 ounces for the guys. Rotate options like 93% lean ground beef, grilled chicken breast, or tilapia from the approved foods list in the client guide. Pair this with 4 ounces of approved vegetables like steamed broccoli, spinach, or zucchini, and add unlimited free veggies such as cucumber or celery to stay full. Avoid oils and stick to seasonings like Himalayan pink salt or Tajin Classico, as noted in the book's Food Tips section. For example, try a grilled chicken salad. 4 ounces chicken breast grilled with lemon juice and tahini, mixed with 4 ounces spinach and free veggies. It's a phase 2 favorite. Eat lunch between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m., dinner later, and keep portions consistent to maintain your metabolic reset. This approach ensures you're fueling fat loss without insulin spikes. Cap your day with a nourishing evening fruit serving, a strategic addition from the 30-week Tirzepatide reset. Opt for 2 to 4 ounces of berries, blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries, consumed after dinner, ideally around 6 to 8 p.m. to align with your body's natural rhythm and avoid sugar spikes, as explained in Chapter 2. These low glycemic, high fiber fruits support steady fat loss and satiety, complementing the keto-friendly strategy. Avoid higher sugar fruits like bananas during this phase, per the approved foods list. As you enjoy this treat, affirm, I'm nourishing my 30 to 90 pound transformation with every bite. This habit programs your mind for long-term success, keeping you motivated as you visualize your progress. Drops are the cornerstone of your phase 2 reset, meticulously outlined in the client guide. Begin with brown detox drops twice daily, upon waking and before bed, holding 1 full dropper, about 0.5 milliliters, under your tongue for 2 minutes to bind heavy metals and toxins at the cellular level, enhancing energy and clarity. Wait 15 minutes, then take blue drops every 7 hours, e.g. 7 a.m., 2 p.m., 9 p.m., squeezing the dropper just below the ml mark for 7 drops, holding up to 2 minutes to control hunger. Then 15 minutes later, take the pink drops, also 7 drops, to boost fat loss. After lunch, place 1 full dropper each of orange B12 for energy and nerve health, and purple D3 for bone strength and mood under your tongue. Add gray electrolytes, 1 full dropper twice daily to your water each time to replenish sodium, potassium, and magnesium while achieving supporting your hydration goal. Maintain 15-minute gaps between brown, blue, and pink. If you miss a dose, take it as soon as possible within the 7-hour window to keep your metabolism active. This precision is key to the protocol's success. Today, integrate Tirzepatide into your phase 2 plan, a game changer. Begin your 2.5 milligram weekly injection when your medication arrives from the pharmacy. If it's delayed, start as soon as you receive it and notify your coach via cfpfitnow.com for scheduling support. This low-dose cycling, increasing to 5 milligrams after 4 weeks for 2 weeks, then pausing, maximizes fat loss while minimizing side effects. Hydrate with 128 ounces of water daily. Break it into 8 16-ounce servings or 32 to 4-ounce servings. And add 1 full dropper of gray electrolytes twice to prevent cramps or fatigue. Move with 20 to 30 minutes of Japanese-style walking using the C25K app. Walk 5 minutes slow, 1 minute fast, repeat 8 times, then 5 minutes slow, keeping it conversational to avoid stress. If you hit a plateau after 2 days with no weight loss or a gain, use a breaker day. Eat 4 to 5 ounces of lean steak for lunch and dinner, plus 2 Granny Smith apples after supper to reactivate fat burn. You're building a foundation for lasting vitality. If your weight loss slows to 0.1 to 0.2 pounds daily, don't worry. Let's troubleshoot with data. Text 615-489-4816 or message me through the Bodyside app for a coaching call. We might adjust your protein to 5 ounces and veggies to 3 ounces, or review your food log for lectin-rich foods from Appendix H, like tomatoes, which can stall progress. Monitor medications for blood pressure or diabetes. Many clients reduce doses as fat loss progresses, so consult your doctor as advised in the client guide disclaimer. Share your day 1 meal photo with hashtag CFP Phase 2 in our Facebook group to connect with others, celebrate wins, and get support. This community is your lifeline. We're here to customize your plan for success. Phase 2, Day 1 is your launch pad to a healthier you. Log your weight, meals, and BC in-body site today and visualize your 30 to 90 pound victory. Picture fitting into those favorite clothes or playing with your kids with renewed energy, as I share in the book's dedication. Text me at 615-489-4816 or reach out via the app for any questions. And join our thriving Facebook community to stay motivated. This is your moment to look good, feel good, and be healthy. You've got this, and I'm proud to guide you.